Hey everybody, it's your realtor Josh Farber, Seek Real Estate, here at a beautiful open house today in Hobe Sound, Florida. It's one you're going to want to see. Right behind me, there it is. Gorgeous house. Everybody likes to do a walkthrough of a house, so we're going to do that for you. I hope you'll stop by. I'm going to be here from 11 to 2 today. This is a great house, so let me just take you for a little tour. I hope you enjoy it. Nice neighborhood, quiet neighborhood. House has 3 bedrooms, 1 car garage, 2 bathrooms, pool, hot tub, heated pool. Not that you need it today, but it's pretty warm today. I think it's probably about 80 degrees today, but it's nice to have at night or in the winter. Metal roof, which is fantastic. They last just about forever. This house is very tropical, very Key West style. Hey, puppy. Let's see if we get puppy in the picture in a minute. So as I said, this house is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 1-car garage. And the asking price is $320,000, which is actually a fantastic price for the neighborhood. Homes in this area are selling about $350,000. The owner is motivated. So if anybody's looking for a house today, you want to call me right away. This probably, I don't believe, would last very long. One of the big selling points for a house like this here in Florida is the covered patio, so I'm going to start right here. This is a fantastic covered patio. Hey Russ, welcome. So this covered patio, you can live out here. It's fantastic here. Let's check out the pool. He's got a beautiful in-ground pool, tropical setting, fire pit over here, even a yard for a dog or kids. I know you want to jump in that pool. I just can't get over the patio though. Huge, huge. Come down here, get away from the cold winters. House is very well maintained. Faux finishing on the walls, hand done. If something isn't to your taste, the owner is willing to make some modifications, maybe some repainting or changing of some decor. It is not being sold furnished, but you'll see here in this room, like the ceiling is a dark color. If you wanted to paint it, I'd be happy to do that. There's the puppy. The guest bathroom is enormous. Huge bathroom. And then this is the master suite. You see he's got bamboo on the ceilings. It's not everybody's taste. He knows that. He's perfectly happy to change it for you. Take it down, paint the ceilings, things of that nature. Has its own bathroom. Shower doors being installed this week, so it's sitting there, but that'll be up in a couple days. Beautiful work though. Tile floors. It's really a beautiful house. I'm not even sure the pictures are doing justice. But let me do this. As usual, feel free to call me anytime. My number is 561-722-3309. Go to my website, www.seekfinds.com, and I look forward to helping you. And I'll be doing another video again later, I'm sure. Have a great day.